Hey boss, Wendy here. In this video, we will focus on calculating dates in Excel, specifically determining the calendar date based on the number of days. For reference, I am currently using Microsoft Excel 365, Mac version 16.24. So here we have an Excel spreadsheet with made-up names and numbers. Please see the disclaimer on www.heyboss.com for further details. In this spreadsheet example, column D is the information we already have, the hire date. What we want to find is the 90-day date from the hire date. So before we key in formulas, we will choose column E since it is currently empty and label it 90-day date. To start off, we can choose any record that we want. To make it easier for us, let's just start with Zane Zappi, whose hire date is 7/10/1994. We select E2 and key in the formula equals D2, which is the cell for Zane's hire date, plus 90. Hit enter, and Zane's 90-day automatically calculates, which is 10/8/1994, which sounds about right. Since we need to calculate the 90 days for the other workers, and we know that the formula works, we can copy Zane's cell, either Control-C for Windows or Command-C for Mac, or select Edit, Copy, highlight the cells you want the formula to be copied to, then paste, Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac, or select Edit and Paste, and then Enter. Now we have 90-day dates nicely calculated for us. If you like this video and would like more tips on Microsoft Word, Excel, and other cool tools to help your job, please visit us at www.heyboss.com. Thank you for watching. Until next time, blessings.